Let us start ICSE Mathematics chapter 9. So, the arithmetic and geometric progression. In the previous video, we have solved the question number 1 to 11. Now, in this video, we will start the question number 12. From question number 12 to question number 13, we will solve it. Now you see, question number 12 states that find the middle terms of the AP 213, 205, 197 to 37. You see, find the middle terms of the AP 213, 205, 197 to 37. You see, the first term is 213 and the common difference is 205 minus 213, that is equal to minus 8. And the last term, that is given 37. So the formula for last term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So in place of L means the last term, I have written 37. For a, I have written 213. So plus n minus 1 into minus 8. Minus 8 means the common difference. So find out the n minus 1 first of all. It will be equal to 37 minus 213 whole divided by minus 8. Again it will be minus 176 by 108 minus 176 upon minus 8, that will be equal to 22. So the n will be equal to 22 plus 1, that is 23. Now in order to find the middle terms, 23 plus 1, you see it is odd number, so 23 plus 1 whole divided by 2, that is 24 divided by 2, that is the 12th term will be the middle term. So now we find out the 12th term, that is 213 plus 12 minus 1 into minus 8, solve it, 213 minus 88, that is equal to 125. So this will be the answer of the question number 12. Now proceed question number 13, which states that if the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, then which term of this AP is 0? We have to find the term which is 0. You see, A3 means the third term, that is a plus 3 minus 1 into d is equal to 4. Again it will be solved and you will get a plus 2d, that is equal to 4. The ninth term, that is a plus 9 minus 1d, that is given, that is minus 8. Solve it, you will get a plus 8d, that is equal to minus 8. This will be the second equation. Now the which term of this AP is 0, we have to find out. So by subtracting first from the second equation, we get, you see, a plus 8d minus a plus 2d, we will get minus 8 minus 4, that will be equal to minus 6d is equal to minus 12. So the d will be equal to, means common difference will be equal to minus 2. Now put this value d is equal to minus 2 in first. We have a plus 2 into 2, that is 4. So a is equal to 8. You see, just transpose it, you will get a is equal to 8. So when the last term is 0, means 0 is equal to the first term, that is 0 is equal to 8 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. So n minus 1 will be equal to minus 8 upon minus 2, that is 4. So the n will be equal to, now transpose this minus 1. So this minus 1 will be added to the 4. it will be equal to n is equal to 4. Sorry, n is equal to 5. So the fifth term of this AP is 0. Now proceed to the question number 14. The eighth term of an AP is 0. Prove that its 38th term is 3 times its 18th term. You see, it is given that the 8th term is 0. We have to prove that the 38th term is equal to thrice of 18th term. So first of all, you write down the a plus 37d is equal to 3. Inside the bracket I have written a plus 17d means 18th term. Now a is equal to minus 7d. After solving it, you will get a is equal to minus 7d. Therefore, you see, a plus 7d, so a is equal to minus 7d. Now substitute this value here. Now put a is equal to minus 7d. So, for this is minus 7d plus 37d. You see, in this equation, I have substituted the value of a, that is minus 7d plus 37d is equal to 3. Inside the bracket, in place of a, I have written minus 7d plus 17d. Solve it further. You will get, you see, 37 minus 7, that is equal to 30d is equal to 3 into 10d. Means the 30th d is equal to 30th d, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence it is proved that the given statement is correct. Means the 38th term is equal to the thrice of 18th term. Hence it is proved. Now question number 15. Which term of the AP 120, 116, 112 dash is the first negative term? So which term of the AP, that is 120, 116, 112 dash is its first negative term? A is equal to 120 means first term is 120, common difference is minus 4. Let nth term be 0. First of all, we find out the nth term, which is 0 of this AP. So that will be equal to 120 plus n minus 1 into minus 4, that is equal to 0. So n minus 1 will be equal to 100 minus 120 divided by minus 4, that will be equal to 30th. So n is equal to 30 plus 1, that is the 31st term. So the first negative term will be equal to the first negative term will be equal to 31 plus 1, that is the 32th term or 32 term will be the first negative term. Now this is the question number 16. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3-digit numbers, natural numbers, are divisible by 7? 3-digit natural numbers start from 100 to 999. So the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 is 105, 112, 119, 126, 2. 980, 987, 994. You see 100 divided by 7, that will give you the exact idea where the first multiple of that after 3 will come, that will be the 15, means 15 sevens are 105. Similarly, if you divide 999 by 7, you will get 142, means the 142th term of the multiple of 7 will be the last. So this AP start from 105 to 105, 112 and end with 994. So A is the 105, D is equal to 7, L is the 994. Therefore, the 994 is equal to 105 plus n minus 1 into 7, and that will be equal to 994 minus 105 divided by 7. That will give you the 889 by 7. So it will be equal to 127. So n is equal to 127 plus 1, that is 128, and this will be the answer of the question number 16. Now proceed to the question number 17. You see the two APs are there having the same common difference. First is let A is equal to minus 1. The first term is minus 1. In the second AP, the first term is minus 8. The first AP, here I have written the first AP, here I have written the second AP, means A4, that is minus 4, minus 1 plus 4 minus 1 into D upon is equal to minus 1 plus 3D. Here the A4 means the fourth term of the second AP will be minus 8 plus 4 minus 1 into D, that will be minus 8 plus 3D. So the difference in the fourth term is equal to minus 1 plus 3D inside the bracket minus 8 plus 3D is equal to, solve it, you will get here minus 1 plus 8 and this plus 3D and minus 3D will be cancelled. So minus 1 plus 8, that will be 7. In the second case, you just change the sign, change the place of it. You will get minus 8 plus 3D minus 1 3D. After solving it, you will get minus 8 plus 1, that will be minus 7. So you will get two answers for it, for question number 17, that is plus and minus 7. Now proceed to the question number 18. 18 states that if an AP, the ratio of the fourth and the ninth term is 1:3, find the ratio of the 12th term and the 5th term. You see, the ratio between the fourth and ninth term is 1/3. So I have written here A plus 3D upon A plus 8D, that is equal to 1 upon 3. So just by cross multiply it, you will get 3A plus 9D is equal to A plus 8D. Solve it, you will get 2A is equal to minus D. So D is equal to minus 2A. Now we come to this, the 12th term by 5th term. That is A plus 11D upon A plus 4D. That is A plus 11 into minus 2. You see, in place of D, I have written, means in place of common difference, I have written minus 2A upon A plus 4 into minus 2A. That will be minus 21A upon minus 7A. A will be cancelled, minus will be cancelled, and 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So 3/1 will be the ratio of the 12th and to 5th term. Now question number 19. Find the 7th term from the end of AP, that is 7, 10, 13 to 184. You see, find the 7th term from the end of the AP, that is 7, 10, 13 and to 184. So A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3. But for reversed AP means if the AP is reversed means if you are starting from the last, at that time your AP will be like this. The first term will be 184 and common difference will be minus 3. So from the we have to find out the seventh term from the last means A7, the reversed AP I have written here. So A 184 will be your first term. So here you see the 7 minus 1 in bracket minus 3, solve it, you will get 184 minus 80, that will be 166. This will be your answer of the question number 19. Now proceed to the question number 20. Let us start question number 20. You see, the question number 20 states that the four angles of the quadrilateral form an AP. If the sum of the first three angles is twice the fourth angle, then find all angles of the quadrilateral. You see, I have drawn the figure. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Here you see A plus B plus C and D are in AP. These angles are in AP means arithmetical progression. So once it has mentioned, so the second angle means the B minus angle A should be equal to angle C minus angle B and angle D minus angle C. Means the common difference will be equal in both the cases, in all the cases. So from angle B minus angle A is equal to angle C minus angle B, this will give you the relation between B and AC means twice of B will be equal to A plus C. And from angle C minus angle B is equal to angle D minus angle C. From here we will get second relation, that is twice the angle C is equal to angle B plus angle D. This will be your second equations. We know that it is given already that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is twice of the angle D. It is given. We know that the sum of the all four angles is equal to 360 degree of a quadrilateral. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360. So as you know that twice of D means A plus B plus C is twice of D. It is mentioned already the sum of the three angles. So in place of A plus B plus C I have written angle twice of angle D. So angle and angle D. So adding it you will get 3D which is equal to 360. So the value of angle D will be equal to 360 divided by 3, that is 120 degree. From one equation, in the first equation, we have A plus C is equal to twice of B, and from fourth we have twice of B plus 120 is equal to 360. You see, from fourth, this is fourth. So twice of angle B plus angle B plus 120 is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, thrice of angle B will be equal to 360 minus 120, that will be equal to 240. So the B will be equal to, that is 240 divided by 3, that will be equal to 80 degree. From second equation, you see, twice of C is equal to B plus D. So twice of C is equal to angle B plus angle D, that is 80 plus 120. We know the value of B and we know the value of D. So 80 plus 120, that is equal to 200. Therefore, the angle C will be equal to 200 divided by 2 and it will be equal to 100 degree. From first, you know that twice of B is equal to angle A plus angle C. So twice of B, that is twice of 2 into 80 degree is equal to angle A plus angle C is 100 degree. This implies that the angle A is equal to 160 minus 100, that is equal to 60 degree. Let us proceed to the question number 21. The sum of the three numbers in AP is minus 3 and their product is 8. Find the number. You see, let three numbers of an AP be, that is A minus D, A and A plus D. So according to the question, the sum of the three consecutive AP numbers are A minus D plus A plus A plus D. That will be equal to 3A, that will be equal to minus 3. Solve it, you will get the A is equal to minus 1. Now according to the question, the product of all these three numbers should be equal to 8. So I have written here A minus D into A plus D, that is equal to D square. Now place in place of A, I have written minus 1 because we have already worked out, that is minus 1 minus 8 into minus 1 into minus 1 plus D, that is equal to 8. So D plus 1 into 1 D plus 1 into 1 into D minus 1 is equal to 8. D square minus 1 is equal to 8. D square is equal to 9. So D is equal to plus minus 3. The numbers are minus 1, minus 3, minus 1 and minus 1 plus 3. So solve it, you will get minus 4, minus 3, 2. Now come to the question number 22. Ram Prasad saved ₹10 in the first week of the year and then increased his weekly saving by 2.75. You see, in the first week he has saved ₹10. In the second week he has saved ₹12.75. And in the third week he has saved 15.50, and fourth 18.25, 21.0, and so on. And at the last he saved 59.50. So we have to tell the number of the weeks when he starts saving the 59.50. So A is your 10, D is 2.75, last term is 59.50. So the last term is equal to 59.50 is equal to 10 plus 9n minus 1 into 2.75, that is equal to n minus 1 into 59.50 minus 10 upon 2.75. So solve it, you will get 49.50 upon 2.75. So n minus 1 is equal to 18. Therefore, n is equal to 18 plus 1, that is the 19th week. So in the 19th week, he will start saving of 59.50. Now the question number 23, which states that for an AP, so that TP plus T means the term P, pth term, plus the P plus 2Q term is equal to twice of P plus Qth term. You see, for an AP, so that TP means the pth term plus P plus 2Qth term is equal to twice of P plus Qth term. So left hand side I have proceeded it. You see, A plus P minus 1 into D plus A plus P plus 2Q minus 1 into D. Very simple formula, that is the term formula I have written here. So now add it, you will get 2A plus p minus 1 plus p plus 2q minus 1 bracket closed into d. If further solve it, you will get 2a plus 2 outside of the bracket p plus q minus 1 into d. That will be equal to twice of a plus p plus q minus 1 into d. So this is the p plus qth term. So that is equal to twice of p plus qth term. Hence it is proved.